Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the media controls to control the music on your cell phone from your Suunto 9 barometer watch. This really works just like most other smartwatches out there. There is no music that is stored on this watch, and everything that you're hearing does not come from any kind of speaker on the watch. It's basically going to be coming from your cell phone. The only thing the watch does is it keeps you from having to touch your phone to adjust your music controls, and I'm going to show you that here. So the way you get to your music controls, first let me say this is a feature you can turn off on this watch. If you're not interested in using music controls, you can turn it off. It's actually a good idea to turn it off if you're not using it, because when you press the middle button, that will always take you to your music controls. So if I simply press this once, it'll take me to my music controls. Now what you're seeing here is basically mirroring what's showing on my phone. You have to have your phone connected. You can see the artist, the name of the song, and then I can basically see my music controls. Now when I hit play here, any sound will be coming from my cell phone. But you can tell it's playing. My volume is rather low. I can control the volume from the watch. And then just like on the phone, I can do whatever controls are following my music. So on my phone, I cannot go back, nor can I on the device. If I try and do back, nothing happens. But I can fast forward to the next song because that's what's available on my cell phone. I can pause. I can resume. Can go to the next song. Again, can adjust my volume. Basically, all it's doing is it's giving you the ability that when you're out doing an exercise or walking around in the yard or wherever, you can touch your watch, adjust your music controls without having to grab your cell phone. Pretty simple stuff. If you want to get off of this screen, you're going to press and hold the middle button, and it will basically put you back on your watch face. Your music's still playing. I hope the video helps, shows you how to use the music controls with your Suunto 9 barometer watch. Thanks for watching.